Hi everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. This is a very quick video that I am putting up for you. This is something brand new that I'm so excited to be offering you guys. This is our Simply Sweet Stampers bundle. This is a brand new creative team that we have come together to create this for you. So let me show you guys what this is all about. Let me set this aside and let me talk to you guys a little bit about our catalogs. The thing about the Stampin' Up! Catalogs, one of the things that I love the most is we have these things called suites of product. So if you look here, here's the Delightful Details suite of product, and you'll see here it has a stamp set, and then it has a bunch of product that coordinates with it. And throughout our catalog, you will see different suites of product. Here's the mistletoe. Under the mistletoe, this is a Christmas suite, and it has a stamp set and a designer set of paper and some colors, and then all of this stuff that kind of coordinates with that, which is so nice when you are creating a project to be able to have a ribbon, some embellishments, a set of designer paper, everything that coordinates to be able to put that project together is amazing. So here are some of the ones in our occasions catalog. We have the All My Love suite, and it has this beautiful roses and floral images. You flip the page over and it has these hearts. We've talked about how much I love the heart dies. And I just love that everything coordinates. So a group of demonstrators and I got together and we created this Simply Sweet Stampers bundle. We're so excited about this, you guys. You're going to be able to get this from me for any purchase that you make in the month of February. So if you purchase a card kit to go, if you purchase my Simply Layered kits, if you make a purchase with me, a Stampin' Up! Purchase, you're going to get this bundle. If you are on my team, you already get the bundle. I'm giving that to my team for free. So what it is a group of us. Here we all are. Don't we look so cute, you guys? Don't you love our Bitmojis? We love this. So we've all gotten together and we've each created a project. So in this, you're going to find a whole bunch of projects, 8 full projects with supply lists, measurements, instructions. You're going to see all of these great projects and you can recreate them. We've put them together so they're simple. They follow a suite of products so you don't have to have everything in the catalog, right? Isn't it kind of frustrating when you're watching a project be made and then like you're making the list and you're like, oh, I need to get this, I need to get that, oh, I need to have this. So what we wanted to do is make it less frustrating and keep our supply list really small and within a certain suite of product. So every month you're going to see that we come out with a Simply Sweet Stampers bundle, and this is the PDF that you will get, and from me you can get it by placing an order for anything during the month of February. All right, orders must be at least $35 or more to get the bundle, so make sure that it's $35 or more before shipping and tax, and I will send this to you in an email. You can print it out and keep it, and we're so excited. We've been working on this for about a month and a half now, and we're really excited to bring this to you, and we're excited to make the projects. It's been so much fun, and to be able to put this together and offer to customers is amazing, and also to my team. If you're a part of my Stampin' Up! Team, you get this for free. So if you're looking for a project today, my original plan was to make a project with this suite of product to share with you guys as I was talking about this bundle, but as many of you know, I'm having surgery this week. I'm having a partial hysterectomy, and I just never got to the project. You guys, had a lot of content to get out for you guys this week as I'm recovering, and it just didn't happen. So there is a Facebook rewind that is going to be posted as well today and over on my website, so you guys will get a project to see. But I hope you guys are excited about the Simply Sweet Stampers bundle. We're so excited. Our creative team is so fun. We loved putting all of this together, and our little Bitmojis just make me happy. I love anything that is emoji. So we hope hope that you guys will love it as well. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I'll be back tomorrow with a project for you guys, and I will catch you next week for sure when I am recovered and feeling better. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday, and I will talk to you guys later.